guys, what's up? This is Khushi. I hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely great. Again a little DIY video, but then I am supposed to, give a briefing also about the thing that why does it happen, because it is important. So today is a hair fall prevention video. So you guys had requested for it. So I just wanted to give you like a good brief about things so that you can follow the tips. So because hair care and skincare, this comes together because it depends on person to person apparently. So I can only give you tips. I cannot tell you how will it go off, but then I can give you some tips that I personally use and it is really effective for me. So as for the skin, there are things that is suitable for your skin. There is also called things for your hair. So there are many things like shampoo, conditioner, serum, dry shampoo. These are the basic things that we are supposed to use for our hair. So talking about the shampoos, I keep on changing my shampoos because according to the weather changes and according to everything around, your hair needs different kind of the nutrition depending on the surroundings. So I keep on changing my shampoo and conditioner, but then I make sure that the company which the shampoo is the company that the conditioner is. I don't use a separate conditioner. I just use the company's conditioner because it is more preferable, because then you know that this is something that is suiting your hair. So you need to continuously change your hair products as in consideration of shampoo and conditioner. Now for serums, I basically use the Levon one or the L'Oreal one. I've been using the Levon one for more than a year now, but the L'Oreal one I've just started to use. So the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 serum. So these are the two serums that I have. If you want something more detail about it, I will DM you in the personal. And also I wanted to tell you guys, hair fall has many things to do with. So hair fall can be because as I said in my previous diet video, when you talk about diet, that does not mean you're supposed to skip your meals, because whatever you have is the nutrition for your nails, your hairs, and your body, everything. So you're not supposed to skip your meals. So if you are on a diet which is only consists of fruits and veggies, then you're gonna have a very bad hair fall. Trust me, because your hair isn't getting the nutrition it deserves. So at a result, it will just shred up all your hairs, and you're starting getting a lot of split ends and everything. So I have heard a lot of people saying, हर 3 महीने में you should have a haircut. I do not believe it. It's been a year now that I do not have a haircut, and see, you can still see the texture of my hair. It hasn't gone worse, because you are supposed to take care of it. As in how you want your skin to be glowing, you also want your hair to be glowing, right? There's one mask. Personal recommendation. Trust me, it's the best mask you're gonna ever have, and the most simple one. You have to just take coconut oil. Now I prefer coconut oil. You can prefer olive oil, and castor oil. I just don't use that oils in my hair because they're very thick. So my hair also has a lot of volume, so that the oil does not come off my hair. So I just don't prefer to use that oil. You can use any of the oil. I personally use coconut oil, and then camphor, right? Kafur. So you are supposed to put 5 to 6 pieces of kafur in the oil. Now the measurement is up to you according to the length and volume of your hair. So yeah, you're supposed to take that. You're just supposed to boil them up and then put it in your scalp. Okay, so now this is called scalp. Now this in a white part is called scalp. So you're supposed to put the oil in your scalps very thoroughly and leave it for overnight or maybe 3 hours. I keep it for 3 hours, and then you're just supposed to wash it off. Now don't use a very high shampoo. Use shampoo only once. If the oil does not come off, don't worry, it will come off in the next wash. But then don't use a harsh shampoo, because already you are having camphor, and then you're using a harsh shampoo will make your hair go worse. And yeah, that is something I do for my hairs, and that's something that gives me shine, takes all the dandruff, does not damages my hair. Also guys, disclaimer, if you guys have thin hair, that means your volume is not that good, so I will not recommend you to use this mask more than twice a week, not more than twice a week. And if you have a good volume like me, you can use on alternatives, because the camphor is good for your hair but is very powerful. So I will not recommend you to use it more than twice a week. um, that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you want any further details about what hair care is about, so you can definitely DM me in the DM section, and send me a picture of your hair. I will recommend you accordingly, telling you the kind of hair you have. You're supposed to explain me and I'll recommend you. I'll see you next time. Bye.